Hey guys, this is a must watch video that I need everybody to watch. I hate to do this, but we just realized that we got together as a first grade team and what we were doing wasn't user friendly, and so what we wanted to do was to revamp how we are sending you guys assignments and how we're doing our lessons. And so this week is going to be completely different than what we did last week. So what you're going to do is when your child logs in, you're going to see their map, and then you're going to click on their backpack. From their backpack, you are going to click on yes. As you can see, we marked everything else no, so they should never click on those things. They only need to click on the umbrella that says yes. From there, they click on apps, and then what you're going to find in their backpack is a red apple, and this red apple will say lessons. And so you're going to click on that. And this is going to take you to the week's lessons. And this is what it's going to look like. So you can click on whatever day. So if you are remote on Monday, Tuesday, then you click on those days. Same thing if you're remote on Wednesday, Thursday, you click on those days. And for all of our remote students, you will click on each day. But I'll tell you what slides to go to. So Monday slides 2 through 4, etc. So on 2 through 4, what you're going to find, or what you're going to find on the slides is you'll see an ELA slide, a math slide, and a science slide. So you're going to follow the numbers. So 1, you'll listen to the shared reading, and then 2, we put pictures in so that you know where to go. So their assignment, say you listen to shared reading, their assignment will be in Google Classroom. So what you'll have to do is you go back to their backpack and then you click on their Google Classroom. So then from Google Classroom, you click on classwork, and this is what it's going to look like this time. It's going to say ELA assignments. Then you're going to do Monday, August 31, because number 2 says to do the character and settings part. So you click in there, and it'll pull up, but it will be in there. So like for example, Wednesday, you'll do this assignment, because when I go to the Wednesday slide, it'll tell me to go to Google Classroom. So then after that, you do the writing meeting lesson. 4, you do their handwriting. 5, you'll do Letterland, and then 6, you'll write in their Letterland journal, and you could just write this on paper too if you don't have their journal with them. Then you'll go to math, you'll follow the numbers, do the assignments. So instead of you won't have to go to Google Classroom, you'll just have to go back to their backpack, and then you click on Seesaw and log in. And then like 4 says, I know it. So you go to I know it and do those lessons for that day. So you won't always have to go to their Google Classroom unless the assignment for that day says so. But please just know that everything that you need is in your child's backpack. So for now on, lessons will be posted in their backpack. You'll just click on the apple and you'll find the lessons for that week. We hope that this is more user-friendly. Also, a really cool thing about the way that we did the videos is it won't open another tab it won't open to take you into YouTube. You could just watch the video here and you won't have to go back and forth. So we hope that this is more user-friendly for you guys. Please let me know if you have any questions. This is what the first grade team did today, so just message me if you need anything. All right, thanks so much.